Welcome back. 2000 per month, no ESI, no provident fund, no monthly leaves. Can anybody work with such type of ill facilities? But in reality, employees of Mighty Ghar, after slogging for a whole day, are receiving peanuts at the end of the month.
Staff of Mahiti Ghar expects a reasonable salary and all the incentives applied for an employee.
4 वर्ष जाले तुका सगळ्यो ESI फॅसिलिटी बी मेळटात काय मेळना पगार कितलो मेळटा इतलोच इन्क्रिमेंट बी जाता वाडटा बी लीव मेळटा तुमकां लीव बी कांय ना आतां तुमकां कितें जावचें दिसता म्हायती करा तुमकां लीव बी आहा तुमकां केन्ना ना ESI फॅसिलिटी बी कितें आसा तुमकां अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर कितें दिला
Employees express their woes with a broad smile on their face, but it does not hide the agony of the affected staff.
कितले तेच झालं का असल्यावर हां मोठ्यान सांग 2 वर्ष झाले पगार किती दिता तुका
2250 आज काय खंय पावता 2000 म्हारगाय कितली वाडल्या
Our reporter from Kankon, Prasad Pagi, and from Bali, Ramesh Naik Raut.
At the time of recession, when companies across the world are cutting jobs, Tata Motors in Mumbai have started training their staff to make them more efficient. Labour advisor for Tata Group of Companies, KM Naik, says that companies in Goa should adopt the training methods instead of layoffs.
KM Naik has been associated with Tata Group for last 22 years and hails from Kuchade. He was speaking at one-day seminar organized by National Institute of Personnel Management. More than 100 participants from across India took part in this seminar. Due to recession throughout India, lakhs of people have lost their jobs, mostly in industrial and IT sector. Industry experts feel that this recession would continue for some more months. Naik says that training people during recession time is an enlightened way of developing human resources for future.
How to make that as an opportunity, convert it into an opportunity. Tatas have gone for training people wherever they are not utilized today, they can't be utilized because of recession. So how many governments have done it, how many companies are going, please convey this message to your employers. Your top management may like to tell you, remove, not wanted, don't do that. Unless the very survival of your organization or the establishment is at stake. There's a different thing.
Our reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kanulkar.
Morif Laboratories Private Limited at Bethoda Industrial Estate have failed to pay their employees from past 3 months. Total 45 workers are working there for past 3 months without salary. But management has claimed that they will pay all their dues of the workers.
आमचे ऑलरेडी कन्सिलेशन कोर्टा समोर आसा LC फोंडा कडेन कन्सिलेशन आमी तेंचे कडेन मागलेले की जे कंप्लेंट केल्ली की आमकां 3 म्हयन्याचो पगार मेळना सो तेका 13 तारखेक सोमाराक डेट फिक्स जाल्ली आसा सो त्या डेटीक कन्सिलेशन जे कितें ठरता तेच्या नंतर ते आमी ते डिसिजन तशें घेतले
सो आनी प्रोडक्शन मॅनेजरान कितें आश्वासन दिलें तुमकां
प्रोडक्शन मॅनेजरा कडेन कांय ऑथॉरिटी ना सांगता फोनाचेर तो फक्त देसाई म्हणून जो तेंचो डायरेक्टर आसा तेजे कडेन तेणें उलयल्लो तो म्हणटा की तुमकां बरोवन दिया की आमी पगार तुमकां 21 तारखे नंतर दितले 24 तारखे नंतर दितले अशे फाटले 3 म्हयने सांगता की 2 दिसांनी पगार दिता म्हणून पूण आज पर्यंत तांकां पगार मेळिल्लो ना कंपनी कडेन भरपूर पयसो आसा मोटवानी म्हणून एका मनशाक ताणें ती कंपनी विकलेली.
After listening to their grievances, we met Assistant Engineer Sahastra Budde. We were surprised to hear what he told us.
जून पर्यंत आम्ही तुमचे ऑनलाईन सगळे हे करतो आम्ही ना बंद करू ना आम्ही आता वर्करांना सांगला आम्ही काम करणार म्हणून पेमेंट केल्याशिवाय आम्ही त्यांना म्हटलेलं 21 तारखेपर्यंत आम्ही पेमेंट करता तुम्ही काम चालू करा आमचे
त्यांचे म्हणणे आहे की आज ते कामाक येयले लायटूय कट केल्या उदकूय
ना लाईट किती झाले ते काम करणार म्हटले न्ही म्हणतकूच हे जाता न्ही बेश्टे प्रोडक्शन जर ना लाईट दवरून फायदो कितें बेश्टे एक्सपेन्सीव जाता न्ही म्हणून ते आम्ही बंद केलेले ते.
Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned for hot action from karate and St. Rita's memorable triumph over Mahila Nutan.
Thank you.